Hey, it's Dan from Carbon Method. Have you been wondering if lightning lock fittings are strong enough for your dust collection setup? Let me show you just how strong they are. Hey John, can you give me a hand? Our smallest fitting, the 2.5 inch, can support the weight of a bowling ball. Our most popular fitting, the 4 inch, it can hold a completely full fire extinguisher. And finally, our 5 inch fitting is strong enough to suspend an entire air compressor. As you can see, all of our magnetic lightning lock fittings are shockingly strong. Just like that, they disconnect and they connect. Get your dust collection game on lock at carbonmethod.com.